What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost, Off Track TV, and today we got some kind of bad news. But first, I gotta go to Tesco. Now that's over with, well, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. So basically, the bad news is to do with Blaze. If you follow our Instagram, then you'll probably already know a little bit of what's going on. Basically, his bike got seized by the police, and we had to go get it back. I'll tell you about the full story in just a second. What it means to be free out on these streets, bro. Ah, man, I'm telling you, I never felt freedom like this on a bus. So yeah, anyway, with Blaze, he was riding without a CVT. And, you know, it's a CVT basically expired, and well, he got caught. He was riding up in Holborn, and there was like a police checkpoint kind of thing going on, or they were pulling over bikes and I think cars as well, and they seized his bike because he had no CVT. Simple as that. He knows what he did was wrong. He actually had his CVT booked for like April, around the start of April. So yeah, man, we had to go and get it back. Well, first, really, when they first pulled him over, for some reason they wouldn't let us come and get it, or they wouldn't let me come and pick it up, which is a shame as well. So we ended up paying like nearly £1,000 just to get out of the pound, insurance, all those other kind of costs. It's like almost £1,000 wasted. It's such a shame. So yeah, that happened. I had to go and get it back the next day with him. Drove all the way up to, let me drive, but we took a train up to Perivale. That's where the impound was, and then we had to go and I had to go ride it back to North London. Oh, that wasn't a red light. I pray to God that wasn't a red light. Yeah, I had to drive it back to London. He took a cab. Oh shit. He took a cab. I followed the cab. I have no, you know, no satellite navigation. And I have no sat nav. And now it's back sitting pretty outside his bit, and now we just wait. We just wait. Whoopsie. Okay, I ain't done that for a while. Anyway, I'm actually on my way to work, which is around the corner from here, so I'll be back in a split second for you, but in about 12 hours for me, so in a bit. And after a long flipping day of work, 12 hours, I'm back. Ooh, I'm tired, so I won't make this long for you. Basically, while we wait for Blaze to get his stuff back in order, got a couple of videos for you, so we won't completely die out. But after that, we've got a big trip to Southend. Can't wait for that. It's going to be so good. It's like in the south of England. Those of you that don't know, it's going to be quite fun. It's going to be me, Blaze, and one of our other friends, Mateus. So looking forward to that. In between, we should have like maybe 1 or 2 videos for you. so it won't be too bad. I think we're gonna spend like 2 days there, and then we're gonna ride back. So we're gonna go there, nice long ride, kind of on A roads, because obviously the old place can't go on motorways. We're gonna probably stay in like a Airbnb or something, and then probably go around a little bit, drive around Southend. I've been to Southend myself, but it's only with family. I've never actually driven around them, so it'll be a nice experience to actually drive around on my bike, explore nice views, little seaside like city. Can't wait, it's gonna be fun. Hopefully the weather permits as well, and that's it, to be honest. So guys, that's been the video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and basically that's it.